you can see, I'm in my craft room, and as always, it's out of control. It's out of control just because I don't have the proper storage. However, I am not going to be here to have anyone have a problem with how much I have. So I'm just not going to be here for those rude comments. And for those of you who don't know, I approve my comments. So you're just wasting your breath if you're going to just leave something rude. So my life, my money, and yeah, so now that that's out of the way, I know that was a little like seemed aggressive, but I'm not having comments for 2019. So anyway, we're in my craft room, and you know what? Let me turn the camera around.
Never expected. You're waterboarding me.
You are not qualified for this position.
Have you could change your catheter? I can't feel this.
So starting this vlog off in my craft room, I did tidy up a little bit. I don't know if that ended up in a clip or not, so it's really hard for me to like speak to my videos sometimes because I just never know when I get to editing. So anyway, I did get a lot of the stuff off the floor. That is stuff that I need to organize, that I want to use, and it needs to somehow make its way onto this table. Over here is my sticker collection, like all my new stuff, and I've been putting it in this like Dollar Tree sequins bin kind of thing. And I wanted to make this like its own like organizational video on my vlog channel. It may be in this one. Again, I just have no idea because I don't daily vlog, so it's hard for me to tell how much content, etc., etc. So anyway, these are all stickers that I've recently hauled that have not been organized or put away. And then if you watch my videos, I hauled these from Dollar Tree. I might be using them to further organize more stickers. We're just gonna have to like wait and see. But yeah, so I didn't want to clean this up because I thought that you guys would really enjoy seeing my stickers being organized in a vlog somewhere. Down there is like all the senior stuff. I want to make my daughter like a memory book, and so that's like more material, even though I have a ton of material in there for that as well. So lots of things in different places, and that's half the problem, is I just don't have the space to organize things together. But yeah, I definitely thought that maybe today I was going to film an official planner video, not a vlog style video, but like its own planner video. That's all my new stuff, and I thought I would film like a planner setup. And I'm also, so once I get my happy planner, the one I want, a large one like that, and then I'll have that planner. And then over here I have a ton of planners. This is my Target Dollar Spot, which is another one of my favorites too. So I think I'm gonna plan in there as well. Maybe in the smaller little one. I don't think that one's dated. This is my vision board planner, which I've only planned in once. And I know a lot of you have asked to like see me continue to plan in here. This is my December like monthlies, I guess. I don't think that mine is like a December monthlies. It's just like me keeping track of all the stuff that like I buy for Christmas. But yeah, so lots of other things. And then over here is just stuff that I want to organize on top of the shelf, but I need to go to Dollar Tree and get a couple of bins. I don't know what kind of bins I want. I don't know if I want them like this or maybe even different ones, but I need to organize all of this stuff on there. And then I think in today's vlog, we may do a little bit of coloring. I asked on my main channel and a lot of you said yes, you want to see me color in my vlogs. So maybe that will be some of the next clips that you'll see. So I keep my coloring stuff in my nightstand. And yes, I know it's a smiley face. I honestly didn't even notice that until someone said something in a video like a year later after I had the furniture, but it's true, it does look like it. So, all right, so I keep some of my stuff in here, and I did buy some crayons, some markers from Walmart, but let's see, what should I do? Should I do some of these? You know what, let's do some coloring. So let's grab this one, the Silent Night coloring book. I got it from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna pull that out. Let's go ahead and get some crayons. These are like the cheapo crayons. Crazy Art, I definitely feel like if you want good crayons, you should do Crayola. Or if anyone else knows a good brand, but I just feel like Crazy Art is a little too waxy. If that makes any sense, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna get the markers, crayons. I also have like Barbie, but it seems silly. It really is, but it's also fun, so who cares? Barbie, I've got like a mermaid one. I mean, if they made adult coloring books with like larger images, I'd love that. Like houses and cottages, that would be fun. Actually, I could probably like make my own coloring book and sell it. So who knows? Maybe I'll do that. Thumbs up. Lisa Frank is always a good one. It's very intricate. Here's like a princess one. And then this is actually something I got last year. It was in what I got for Christmas 2017. And I got these off of Amazon, so I'll link them down below. But they're basically like logic puzzles and problems. And it has a little theme, Montague Island mysteries. And then it has like all those puzzles and things. Logic puzzles are my favorite, by the way. We used to do logic puzzles back in elementary school, so I've always just been addicted to them. Here's another one. This one's called Larry Logic. Again, I'll link them down below for you. But this is where I keep my little stash, and honestly, like, it makes me want to like go buy more stuff and fill it up. So, maybe I'll do like another haul. Oh, I have extra books. Look, Dollar Tree candy. I'm out of control. This is actually for writing, by the way, so I can like find names. Oh, this thing is in here? I need to bring this in my craft room. This is like really scary. It's like super sharp. But I don't have any little kids, so it doesn't matter. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed this one too. It's also from Dollar Tree, Color Paradise. We've got our stuff. We have some more markers over here. This desk is just, I'm sorry about it. But all right, let's go ahead and get to coloring.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean